Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to attempt to build a welding slash frame building table extraordinaire type deal. So basically I wanted to make the table similar to something like one of the strong hand welding tables. I went to the local metal supplier and I bought a 20-foot strip of 3/8 by 6-inch metal and some 2-inch square tubing, and they cut most of it up. The table's gonna fit. It's gonna be dimension wise about 2 foot deep by just under 3 foot long, and it's gonna fit in that nook right there. I had one piece that I didn't know exactly how long I was going to have it cut, so I decided to cut it myself. As of right now, I just have the jigsaw, so that pretty much took forever, a lot longer than I thought it would. So at this point of making the video, this is going to be part one. I basically got the main base and the top cut and everything, but the legs, I'm having some issues getting all that cut straight. So this is going to be part one. I actually sold some bike parts and things to buy a chop saw so I could cut the legs straight and everything. So we'll finish the second part here in the second video. But anyway, yeah, got this got the final piece cut there. But yeah, so it's going to be fashioned after the strong hand welding table. It's going to be general fabrication, maybe some bike frames, this and that, etc. Just general welding projects and such. Whew. Took forever. I tacked and welded the base first off. It was pretty easy to weld everything up. The only welder I have right now is the TIG welder, the Lincoln Square Wave 175, and I can honestly say with this thickness of metal, this is about as thick as this machine is going to handle. But it was really easy to make the welds look really nice because the metal would melt so slow. It was really nice to get that stack of dimes look. After I got the base all welded together, came out nice and straight, but I needed a way to figure out how to evenly space the top pieces there exactly 1 inch apart. So what I did was cut up an old seat post that was 1 inch in diameter, cut several little chunks out of it there, and laid them across in between the plates there, had them on a couple sections of the 2-inch tubing that I had. Basically just slide them all together and squared up the edges, and then I laid the welded up base on top, and at this point just about ready to tack this thing up and proceed to weld it from there. I actually did tack it up, and you got to be careful because you can't put too much heat in one area because it'll want to start to pull or push the top there in different ways. So I've started that. I'm gonna probably clamp some of this together so it minimizes any kind of warpage because I want a super flat top surface if at all possible. But anyways, until I get my chop saw, which should be in the next day or so, this is going to be the conclusion of part one. Stay tuned for part two, and if you feel so inclined, if you find any of these videos interesting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Part two will be coming up very soon. Thanks for watching.